Oh, hey guys, I'm back and today we're playing Southwest Florida, yeah. So my actually is super overheated, so I came here to repair it. We are doing roleplay and this guy said, don't worry, it's fine. Okay. So he said that it's all over. Take a bit of time, but it will be fine. And I said, okay, well, let's go then. So he's saying, okay, come to my office. Okay, I'm coming to his office again. So, oh, this is another one. So I'll sit here and so you can return to the car gets fixed. Okay. So I gave him the keys already and this is my alt account. I am playing Roblox and blah blah blah. So actually, I'll show you my car menu. I had three cars of them. Like, one is the Dodge Demon. If you can see, the speed is very much in there. It's a rear-wheel drive, and it has the same acceleration as the speed. And then we'll go to the GS Supra. It also has the same, but the speed is very low, and the Mustang is also very low in speed. Now we'll go. Then let's wait, and I'll see and turn on my mic when the car will be repaired. So the so guys, the car is ready for us. We'll go and check it out. So I'm jumping currently, just for no reason, cause I'm changing the room. I don't know why. So I'm coming with my friend. He's actually not my friend yet, but who cares? He's from the dealership. And my account is still banned. Blah blah blah. And okay. So oh nice. Then okay. It just start. So I'm writing that. Sound good. Means I think so. This is repaired, isn't it? So we'll try to rev it later when you'll go out of from the dealership. Oh my god, that's a yeah. This is a new part, I think. So okay, it's just pulling over in front of David's NSX. I mean, not the front, but his back. So I'll actually keep my mic in the type of a place where like okay then where I can say things and you might hear, so I'm so by that time you say okay. So I think so. This is the correct place to place the mic. So I lock the car. I'm coming with David, and I actually don't have enough money in my wallet. I actually use the code Easter in all capitals. Now use the code before it runs out. So his laptop is looking good. So well, okay. So right, yeah, yeah. So oh my God, that's enough. That's much. Okay. Can I give the Can I give check a check? Cause I don't have that much in uh the game, so just like that and whatever stuff. So okay, my battery is already low though. I just took it out from the charging just right now, and it has 50. Oh my God, that is a big problem. So my laptop is very bad still now. It's just like 1 year, just 1 year to the laptop right now. That's not much. I bought it in 2020. I mean, my dad bought it in 2020. Okay. Yes, and yes, signs and this server has crashed. No, though. Yeah, no. The unemployed the total is 2.9 million a day. You think? Oh no. So, why are you singing? Sign. I said sign. I mean signs. Signs. Oh, right. Yeah, now I understand what I was saying. So, yeah. Wait, what? It's already 7 minutes. Okay, bye. So, I'm going. Then, when I'll have enough money, I think so. Buy a new car from the dealership. Currently, I have like 7,042. That's not much. So I'll get in my car, start it, rev. Yeah, we can't hurt the rev because sorry, sir. I actually have used the yeah. The song is not copyrighted, by the way. Really? Then we actually have turned the game voice off, so we're going there. Is that R32? Oh yes. I'll go check it out. So we just changed the lanes. Just changed the lanes. I'll ask him what happened. I'm tired of that. What he was saying. Okay, who cares? So let's go away. Now we are gonna launch this little friend. So yeah, I'm ready to launch it. You are ready to launch it. We are gonna launch it. So we'll launch it on um so I guess we'll launch it on the next U-turn. Yeah. Then we'll go. Okay, it's a red light, but it's a game, so who cares? So I'm here. We'll launch it. So 3, 2, 1, go. It's pretty fast and semi, by the way. It's shifting. I'm pressing my keyboard E, literally E. So if we'll press E, the car will shift its gears. Oh my god. I'm on the 8th gear and I have 11 gallons of fuel. That's not good. I'm gonna spawn another car. That will be uh that will be Dodge Demon. Dodge Demon. It's pretty fast. I know. I might crash, but whatever. And we are going. Let's do launch with this. This will be crazy now. So we'll launch it like we did earlier. Yes, and semi. I guess I'll get it in the semi. Then three, two, one, go! Oh my god. Oh my god. That is pretty fast shift. That are pretty fast shift. Oh my god. That's auto. They're going semi. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm on the first gear. I'm on the first gear. Oh my god. I almost crashed. So now we are gonna go in the semi. So three, two, one, go. I'm almost like over revving the car, but it's not heating up. And this car has got like um 1000 wheel horsepower, and the horsepower got is like 1034 or something. Yeah, 1034 horsepower or something. It was nearly like that. I don't remember. We are doing roleplay, so get in roleplay mode. So um under the speed limit, under the speed limit, under the speed limit. So what is gonna happen is I'm just gonna press the both up and down keys. Whatever. I'm gonna take the urine, by the way. So let's take the urine from here. Okay. So, oh my god. Well, who was that? Is he trying to follow me? We'll see. We'll see. Just hit the turn and oh my god, that is not good. I just saw a car crashed and lol. Okay, okay, we're gonna check it. We're gonna check that guy. Yeah, is anyone in there by the way? Yeah, seems to be no one is there, and that was an actual close call. This is string rates crashed like badly. So that would be much bad if I will be in there. So and so I wasn't in the video. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. So guys, it's all for the video. I think so. Before we end the video, I'm gonna raise this Mustang. I'll ask him. I'm ask him. I'll ask him. I will race in semi. Then I'm gonna follow him. I'm gonna follow him to Dippin' Donuts. Yeah, he crashed. Oh. So hey, I'll just turn on off my car. Walk on a race. He said hi, and okay. So my dodge will beat him up all the way up. If you don't understand, whatever. Who cares, right? So, so we'll race this guy from here to the other side. Oh my god, that ambulance was crashing in this guy. So, oh my god, did he just drive in? Oh no, that's the Springer driver is back. No. Oh my god, that's a Tesla. Shall we go to help him? I think so. He's okay. So use count. So I don't have a mic. I have my headphone mic going on. Lol. So you'll back up. Okay. Okay. I'll give him a big start because he's slow. I know. Lol. So I'm max on driving. Then he's counting. 3, 2, 1, go. I'm not giving a head start. I was just joking. Yeah, that is my power of the dodge. Yeah, boy, this is my dodge. This is my dodge. This is my dodge. Going like 205 miles per hour. So I'm gonna handbrake now. I'm gonna handbrake now. All to the oh yeah. I just oh my god. Oh my god. So I'll just back up and stop here and wait for him. Oh, he's actually fast. Oh my god, that was a near crash. Oh my god. Do he needs to say that we need to go back? Okay, so I'm the winner. First, slow. So I was very quick than him. I think we'll use the Mustang. Nah, we'll use it in another video. So bye guys, this was all for the video.